these are the tools used for the removal and replacement.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and remove this boot right here. The spark plugs are down here, so it makes it a little bit easier to remove them. Okay, so with the 7mm, I'm gonna go ahead and remove this clip right here. Just loosen it, and then on the other one, the same thing with this clip right here, the 7mm. Okay, so we're gonna start removing all these connectors and hoses that connect to these tubes to remove it. So we're gonna go ahead and start by taking out this clip into the side, just a little bit. That should be enough. Then I'm gonna use a little pry bar to push back the hose, like so. I'll go ahead and put a little bit of WD-40 right here to remove this hose connector. I'll go ahead and take it out from this clip right here. Tap a little bit more, wiggle it around, and then on both sides there's going to be two little divots where you could push them, and it should pop out like that. So there's two right here. To the side. Okay, we're gonna start removing these two connectors right here. So this is little safety clip right here, where you just pop out like that, and just push. It just pops out. Same with these. Just push it. And just pop out like so. Push it, and it should pop up. Okay, so put that to the side. Okay, we're gonna try to remove this breather hose without removing the heat shrink. So I'm gonna try to put the WD-40 right there. So I'm gonna start pulling this back. I'm putting pressure. Take out the heat shrink. So you just pop it back out into the side. Then with this one, I'm gonna try to put a little D40 right there, WD-40. It should pop out without removing the clamp. There we go, just popped out. This is the other hose right here. I'm gonna pop it out from right here first. Give it some slack. Put a little bit of WD-40 here. I'm gonna use this bar here to kind of rock it back and forth and take it out. Like that. Put this in.
Okay.
So next is, there's this little zip tie right here that we're gonna have to cut. Let's pop this out. piece out and go back in. After that, we're able to take out the, take it out from here first. Okay, ready? So I'm gonna go ahead and take this side out first. So we're gonna back and forth, like so. And we're gonna start taking this one out too. Same thing. Back and forth. So pops up. Okay. So after we got that, I'm gonna go ahead and slowly remove it like so. Here's our coils. So using a 230, we're going to go ahead and remove the bolts from the coil. Make sure you grab it doesn't fall. Put it to the side. There we go. So next, I'm going to go ahead and remove the clamp. So there's a safety clip right there. Let's move it back. And you just push it down and take it up, like so. Okay, so put that to the side. Okay, now we want to slowly, here's the coil right here, push it upwards, wiggle it. There you go. Put it to the side, and undo the coil. Okay, so with the size 14 millimeter, here's our new one. We always want to compare it, make sure it's the same thing before we install it. Okay, so I'm going to put it in the socket. I'm going to put it back. Okay, so you want to put it in the socket. So we're going to go ahead and torque the spark plugs to 23 newton meters. And then we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing what we did to this one. So all three.
Okay.
So after when I clean the coil, make sure there's no dust. Go ahead and install it. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Put back the screws. Or the bolts. Starting by hand first. And then I'll connect the two real quick. Look out. Push back and see.
Okay.
Okay, so I did the same thing to these three cylinders. That's the same thing I did here. So we're gonna go ahead and put back the boot together. So I went ahead and remove this what do you call it? This here. Okay, so I went ahead and removed this rubber seal. I'm gonna go ahead and install it in here. And I'm gonna put it back together. I took it out. Start on this side. Over this. Work your way around it. So. There we go. Go ahead and install it here first. Just want to push it back in. Right there. Do we have that? We're going to go ahead and push this one back in too as well. Like that. Okay, we're going to go ahead and tighten the clamp. Should it doesn't come out. Then we're going to tighten this clamp as well. We're gonna go ahead and install these. Push this back into place. So we're gonna start with this one. Push it down. Like so. Go ahead and put a little bit of WD-40. There we go. Then we're gonna go and push this one back in. Same thing, I'm gonna put a little bit of WD-40. There we go. Just push it back in. There we go. We're going to go ahead and install these connectors to the clicks. Back the clip. So put this one to the clicks. Like that. After that, we're going to go and install this one, same thing. side until it clicks. Put it back in here. Like so. Put this in here and put a little bit of baby. So there's a little bit of gap here. This is for the clip, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it here, and then clamp it, and then push it in. Put a little bit of WD-40 here. Press the clamp. Hate these clamps. There we go. Put it into place.